As new affiliate marketer, you have a lot of things to learn, and one of them is building funnels, at least if you do affiliate marketing the right way. This is why you need a funnel and how a funnel works. It's not just one website, it's a series of sites. You get people over here to sign in with name and email address, and you give them a lead magnet. If they have it, they go to your email list and you send them from the capture page where you captured their email address and name to a thank you page. Here they can download the free lead magnet or they get it sent as an email. Here you can tell more about your offer, and when they choose, they get to the offer page. When you have the email addresses, you can follow up with them. You can always send an email and the next email and send them back to this page and remind them about your offer. And building an email list is one of the most important tasks as an affiliate marketer, because you own the list. You don't own your social media followers. If your account gets shut down or anything, you just have the email addresses. So that is why you need to collect email addresses. A lot of gurus and course creators tell you you should use ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is not bad, that's not the point. But ClickFunnels is very expensive. It costs you $97 a month after the free trial. But if you're just starting, that is a lot of money. You need almost $100 to just break even. I made this video for people who want a funnel builder with all the functionalities, easy to use, drag and drop, and you can integrate your autoresponder and everything, but for a fraction of the cost. At least that is what I wanted, and that's why I changed from ClickFunnels to the HBA Funnel Builder. And the HBA Funnel Builder is just $25 a month. So 4 months using this one equals 1 month with ClickFunnels. This gives you more time to set everything up. You don't have to pay $100 and you're not ready to launch everything. And I think this is a great advantage. And if you watch this video till the end, I tell you what you could do so you don't even have to pay for this funnel builder. But before that, I want you to show the funnel builder in action. So we are now inside the Home Business Academy with the funnel builder tool. Here is the HBA Funnel Builder. Here you log into the tool and it will open a new tab. And the first funnel is just open. This is really simple. You have the builder, store, contacts, and you can make appointments. You can do split tests. And here is this bar where you get the new funnels and see everything. So it's really easy to do. And you can optimize it for PC or for the desktop, tablet and mobile version. So close this one. If you want to change something, like I want the free escape plan with a background color, just put it in and it is here, save, and you have it. Or if I want this picture over here, there it is. Makes no sense, so undo it. Here is the form to capture just an email. If I want to capture a name as well, click on the form, edit the fields, plus I want a name, and then I want the name first, and it would be over here. And if I want another funnel or a new one, go over here to funnels. So this is also one of my funnels. This is a done for you funnel. And by the way, the escape plan is where I showed you this over here. It's a free ebook. If you want it, there's a link down in the description. Just grab it. So now back to the funnel. If I want a new funnel, click over here on funnels, add a new step, page. So here are different capture pages, landing pages, different styles. You can just select one and change everything. Same for thank you pages. Here you see different thank you pages. You can import them. Book giveaway, link pages. Just click on select. Select the page name. HBA Funnel Builder and add. Now it should be opening, and this is the page, and here you can, like we did over there, this is text, new block, buttons. If you want new stuff inside, click over here, or if you want a new form, we have a form over here, just put in the fields. So it's really easy to do. And now I want to show you a funnel in action. If you use this funnel builder, go funnel, take here the capture page. This is how the page look like. This is for the escape plan. This brings me back over here. Name and email. And then this should lead me to the next step. Here I get the plan, and here I go to a sales page. So it's really easy, drag and drop. You can just play around. It's really cool. And if you need help with anything from the funnel builder, here on the Home Business Academy, the funnel builder tool, here is watch this video first, and it's a training about this funnel builder setup training. If you have questions about something, all of that training. And like other funnel builders, you can integrate your email autoresponder. If I click over here on edit settings, I have Aweber integrated. Aweber is an email autoresponder, and it's free for the first 500 email addresses, so I use this one. And after that, it's not very expensive. But you can use GetResponse or other email marketing softwares. And if you want to integrate it, there is GetResponse, Aweber, Zapier, ActiveCampaign. So you get all the training, everything is explained, how to do everything. So it's really cool. And that's all included in the $25. If you just get share funnels from ClickFunnels, but you don't want to pay the $79 every month, I would suggest to you that you take the 14-day free trial, import the funnels, and then copy and paste. Just go to the funnel, take the text and paste it over here, and you can build the same funnel in this funnel builder. You have to do a little bit more work, but it will save you a lot of money. And now I told you, you can get this one cheaper or almost for free. They have an affiliate program, and the best part about this affiliate program, they pay 80% commission. So if you get 2 people to sign up for this funnel builder, you are in profit. You make already money, and you get everything you need. You get the done for you funnel, pre-written emails, and all the stuff. I just want to show you this quick, because the only thing you pay if you want the all-in-one business is the funnel builder automation tool. And you get Funnel Builder Academy, the Workday formula, Freedom Launchpad, that's the course, how to get traffic, I'll show you this in a second, and so on. And if you don't know how to get traffic, click over here. Yes, I want free access. It's for 2 weeks only. Then you have to pay $125. But I'll show you what this is, and you can cancel before the 2 weeks are up. When you're inside the Home Business Academy, this was the Freedom Launchpad. Here you have a full course on the perfect customer, the perfect products, your pages, emails, traffic, and everything. And other courses, you pay $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 for courses like this. You have the digital book from the escape plan, the PDF. You have an audio book, you can download it, and you have the traffic swipes. These traffic swipes alone are $500 worth. This is the premium. You get it for free for 14 days, and here is all about traffic. And it's really a lot. How to get leads with Facebook, how to do YouTube, and it's not just one video. For example, YouTube, it's one of 15, and this video is 20 minutes. So You get a lot of this. I recommend, if you want to join this one, that you get the premium and then you use it your first 14 days and then you cancel it. Or if you're not ready, just pay it once and then cancel your subscription, so that you can profit from this. And here is the affiliate tab. Like I told you, the all-in-one business, quick start guide, how to make the first 2 sales, that the funnel builder is free for you, and done for you funnels, the all-in-one funnel, affiliate commission, the breakdown, and how to set it up over here so that you get a page like this. Yeah, and you get a ton of value for $25. You pay for this one over here and you get all of this and the business in a box. So it's an amazing value. Other affiliates program, they start by $500 to $2,500, even to $5,000. So this is really great value. But a funnel is just one part of the affiliate marketing journey. And if you want to know how you could make your first sale, watch this video next, because in this video I show you an easy method on how to get your first sale as an affiliate marketer.